Alright, a double mix here. We're doing a live battle. So we have, okay, interesting build. Biffinator right here with the hair dagger. I never had this kind of build as an opponent, so Ronin and all that. Cool. Okay, alright. What we gonna do here first? He cannot do much. He could probably get, yeah, let's try that. He cannot steal energy, so I'm just gonna use all of it. Yeah, I knew it. Cool. Alright. Cool. So he used all his beast cards, but I use... Oh, good thing I did that. Damn. Cool. He might chomp me or something like that, but I think he doesn't have much energies anyways, so... let's do an egg bomb play right here. Just to save. Just to save. Cool. Oh gosh. No, stop it! Ah. Please die. Okay, he dies. I saved my life. Okay, cool. Alright, so I don't know what to do right here, right now. This that was a bummer, right? Cool. What do we have here? We could provide some damage here. He has no shield anyway, so yeah, let's just try that. Cool. All right. So we still have cards for the birds and all that crazy stuff. Let's just try that since we don't have much choice anyway, so he's not gonna be enough, so he's gonna waste a lot of... Oh, not really, but cool. Meow. Yeah, he wasted kind of a lot of cards right here. I'm gonna kill this guy right here. Should shut his mouth before he could actually do some damage. I'm gonna just save my bird. Okay. Let's see. Yeah, I think so. Point. Ooh, that's a lot of damage, right? He didn't break my shield, but that's okay. I should have... I don't have yet my hot butt. Oh, come on. No hot butt. Alright. 120, that's a lot of damage. 167, okay, that's fine. I can heal. Okay, I got ooh, crit, cool. Still no hot butt. Damn. Where is the hot butt doing? Okay, I'm just gonna play the fucking egg bomb. Ooh, I jumped the effort. Sorry. Okay. Let's try... Okay, let's try this one. So, egg, choink. No, I'm not gonna use the egg bomb right there yet. I don't know. That's just a thing. Yeah, let's try that for now. We'll play the egg bomb later on when I'm feeling like... Meow. Cool. I don't have the hot bot for a very, very long time. Oh, okay, cool. 115. Ow. Oh gosh, why did I put it in there? That is a waste. I wasn't able to heal up. And I'm out of choice here. Let's just do egg bomb play here, I think. Since I don't have much option. Yeah, let's do egg bomb play. Save my plant. Boink. Cool. Okay, hot butt. Yes, hot butt. Thank you. Alright, I think we're okay. Alright. Ooh, I am not sure if I'm gonna survive this thing, but I think I do. Yeah, for sure. Point. Boink. Oh yes, we did it, guys. And I could brick wall myself here. Okay, cool. I think that's enough, I think. If... Oh, I guess. Oh, draw. It's a draw. That's a GG. Cool. Alright. Oh god, my bird. Okay, let's try another one, because kind of having fun playing here. Oh, he can stop me from healing. That's kind of cool. Scarab. Alright. He's probably gonna end up playing all these cards right here, since he probably will. Okay, he's gonna steal energy, I'm pretty sure. Yep, he does. He's gonna maybe Scarab and all that crazy stuff. Okay, cool. But he wasted a couple of energies, right? Okay, that's fine. I'm just waiting for my... Alright, let's... I'm still waiting. Yes! Yep! He's gonna fire this wooden stab and all that crazy... Oh my god. Doink. That cactus! That's cactus! Shush! Yeah, I was expecting that cactus right there. So... Let's just heal up right here, because he probably will attack me anyway, so... Let's try... He's probably... Oh, he didn't. Okay, cool. Point. Okay, finally. I think I just need like 2 of these. I'm gonna use this later on. Yeah. Should I? Let's see. 1, 2. Okay, I think I need this to brick wall me, just in case, right? Yeah, just in case, because I think that they're going to yeah, do that a lot of damage on me, so... Ooh, okay. Don't worry, I'll kill you anyway, so cool. Oh, he's gonna steal something? Oh, cactus. Okay, how about cactus? Okay, cool. Alright, thank you for having me. I'm not sure if he's gonna still do some crazy stuff, shenanigans right there, but I think that's enough. Or he's probably gonna put carrots and stuff. But why will you do that, right? It's for the damage and maybe, I don't know. He did gain energy for what? I don't know. Okay. Should we play the egg bomb yet? I don't think so. I don't know. Let's try. He's probably gonna do cactus and all that crazy stuff right here. Maybe 2 cactus and 1 dance. Oh no, he's gonna heal up. Okay, cool. Alright. So I don't have cards, which is gonna suck. Let's see. I have 2 egg bombs here. Probably it's gonna be too late. I don't have cards. This, I think. Or this. Yeah, cause my let's see. Oh, no, 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 no. Point, 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 point. Yeah. Boom. Ooh. So that's like 3 cards and all that kind of stuff. Oh, I don't have energy? Okay. Okay, he probably will heal up right here. Oh yeah, he did. Hopefully I'll get kill this guy right here. I don't. Okay, he break my... did he? No, he didn't. Okay. Oh gosh. I'm in... I don't think I did it correctly. We'll see. He probably have all the cards except... I don't know. Okay, 84. It's not really... Oh god, how about... And then that's everything. Alright, thank you. It's a huge mistake that I did that. Okay, cool. I think I'll survive right here. If he can heal up, it's fine. But I don't really care. I just... Okay. Okay. He's probably gonna heal up. I didn't have the hot button. Oh, he didn't heal up. Okay, cool. So he's not gonna heal up in the next round. I will hopefully get all the hot. Okay, so this is where it goes to be pretty. Okay, so I think I'm gonna win here. Egg bomb play, that's pretty cool. Alright, so 2054. We're having a luck with the bird today. My beast is not really. Let's do the bird. Okay, cool. Just when I thought I can't. If he has the combo right now, he has it. No, this isn't enough. Oof, he's have the hair. Yeah, he has the hair, so I will definitely go first. Okay, cool. 1 point. This. Yeah, that's a good combo, right? Yeah. I think I'm gonna win here for sure. Because why not? I got the combo first, so cool. And then we're just gonna like do some spamming here. I think they're not gonna do anything. Yeah. I think they're just gonna let them die. I mean, they're just gonna die or something, right? Oh, I don't have it. Okay, cool. Alright. Yeah, the time for revenge. 120. I think this guy right here is gonna go for... Okay. Okay, so they spam their cards for sure. Okay. So, what we have here, we have the egg and all that crazy stuff. I could probably help that. Yeah, we're gonna just do that, and then a help from this guy right here. So this guy will be eliminated. Oh no, it didn't really matter. Okay. 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 All right. Boink. Okay, I think I got a kill. Yep, got a kill here, guys. Alright, let's try this. Oh, they surrendered. Okay, cool. 2056. And we have 18 SLP. I think we're good for today. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Thank you. Bye-bye.